This side, nobody want to clap? And tapping. Most of my principals are tapping but not clapping. In school, if your children clap in this way, will you agree with them? What will you do? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We are not on sync. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. I hope useful information I'm going to share with you, I guess. So I want you to be a bit alert. In the morning session, during Chairman's session, he told about one thing, the vision and mission of the masterminds. I request you all to open your files which is there in your hand. Please open it. Do we have vision and mission statement in that? I request anyone principal to read out that. I will, yeah, sure, sir, I will. So what is the vision and mission? Or else you just read along with me, because I want you all to be aware what is the vision of Masterminds and what is the mission of Masterminds and Krishnaveni, which is very important. We are doing things, we are doing many things, we are following a lot of the different curriculums and we are doing so much for the students. But why we all are doing all those things? That is the purpose, right? We are doing so many things in our school for the sake of students with some purpose. If any parents comes and ask you what is the vision of your school, what is the mission of your school, how many of you giving this answer? It is there in our website. It's not the new vision and mission. It is already there in our website. But when we ask our principals, they are unable to, tell what is the vision of our school. So this year we wanted to ensure that all our principals are well aware of the vision and mission of the Masterminds and Krishnaveni. So the vision of Masterminds is to empower next generation learners to acquire, demonstrate, articulate and cherish knowledge and skills. Not knowledge or skills, knowledge and skills that prepare them to be a lifelong learners. Not only in the schools, even after their school years also, a child should have the passion to learn new things. So that curiosity we need to build in our school. So that is the vision of our Masterminds. Not just lifelong learners, they must be a compassionate global citizens and confident contributors rooted in Indian values and heritage. Of course, we want all our students to be a global citizen. At the same time, we should ensure that all our students have the Indian rootedness. They are well aware of the heritage of our country, how to respect their motherland, how to respect their home, how to respect the neighbors. So all these are the responsibility of our Masterminds. This is the vision of our Masterminds. Now I'm going to read it. I want you all to repeat it. Reading activity. Shall we do it? Included this on our diary. This is a rubric for our Master Writers and Master Readers program. Because you are monitoring the student when they give a demo of their readings and all. We asked every teacher to enter the remarks in this diary. If it is there in the student diary, we may not miss it. Previous year and all, we used to send the soft copy. We asked you to take a printout and all. So in order to avoid unnecessary missing of those rubrics and all, we included this in our student diary itself. Last year during our audits, we didn't find in many of the branches. Very few principals used this page effectively. And this is a kind request from the head office side. Please use this rubrics. Don't leave this leaf unfilled. Will you all do it? At least now just go ahead and check the diary. Where is this page and all? I hope you will do it. And I want this thing to be placed everywhere in our corridors, reception, wherever, all the vicinity areas. Welcome to English Speaking Zone, a place for fun and learning. It should remind our students that they have to speak only in the English language inside the school campus. It is not only for the students, it is for principals and teachers as well. Don't think ma'am said it is only for the students. It is not only for the students, it is for loudly, it is for my Jain principals are not telling. It is not for us. Teacher in the sense only ladies. We all are SARs. So they are not telling. It is for SARs also. SARs, teachers and all the principals. Are we all going to? That is what, sir, since they are not opening their mouth, I said that. The principal is the senior most teacher in any school. We should have that, thought always in our mind. Though you are the leader of the school, the principal is the senior most teacher of the school. Please don't forget that, ever, never. I'm studying in, because they might be coming from grade 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. So just to ensure that the child is moved from grade 1 to 3, I'm studying in which grade. So like that we can make it, and there are many other ideas. This PPT also I'll be sharing it. So definitely you can have a look at it. Will you all do it? Yes? Loud yes if you have to tell. 6 o'clock only today. No option. Or 7, it makes it up to 6, 7. Okay, before that, our year planner, as Buchireddy sir said, he has Buchireddy sir and Murli sir and Jayanti and few teachers. So they have taken a lot of care to complete the year planner. The year planner has come out really well. Please follow the year planner strictly and exam timetable, especially for the new principals. That is the guide for you. Don't feel that you are new to Masterminds or Krishnaveni. If you want a teacher guide, the principal guide, just go and each and every page, if you read carefully, it will guide you how to run the school. You will become a successful principal. So please go through the year planner very well. Yeah, we will have. We will have the year planner inauguration. Now, once the session starts, implement the instructions and the informations, whatever you learned or you listened or you heard, whatever it is, please do implement it effectively. All the very best. Thank you all for listening to me very carefully.